Excess mucus in the lungs can be uncomfortable and may lead to respiratory issues. While various remedies exist, certain drinks can be particularly effective in helping to clear mucus from your lungs. Here are the top 5 drinks that can assist in removing mucus and promoting better respiratory health. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger tea can help to loosen mucus, making it easier to expel from the lungs. The warm liquid also soothes the throat and reduces inflammation in the respiratory tract. To make ginger tea, slice 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root and boil it in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon juice if desired. Drink it warm. 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint contains menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant, helping to break down mucus and phlegm. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can aid in respiratory health. To prepare peppermint tea, pour 2 cups of boiling water over 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves or a few fresh peppermint leaves. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain the tea and add honey if desired. Drink it warm. 3. Turmeric milk. Golden milk. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, can help reduce mucus and soothe the respiratory tract. The addition of black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. To make turmeric milk, heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or non-dairy, in a saucepan but do not let it boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper, stirring well and letting it simmer for a few minutes. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup if desired and drink it warm. 4. Lemon and honey water. Lemon and honey water is a simple yet effective remedy for clearing mucus. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and honey has antibacterial properties that help soothe the throat. To make this drink, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into 1 cup of warm water and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir well and drink it warm, especially in the morning or before bed. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking green tea can help reduce mucus production and support overall respiratory health. Its mild astringent properties can also soothe the throat and reduce irritation. To prepare green tea, steep 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves in 1 cup of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag or strain the leaves, add honey if desired, and drink it warm. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can significantly help in reducing mucus in your lungs and improving respiratory health. Remember to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional if you experience persistent or severe respiratory issues.